If a COVID vaccination certificate obtained in Ukraine or elsewhere has expired, does it mean that protection against COVID-19 has worn off? Proof of vaccination has no time limitation. It may be required to obtain a COVID-19 pass, which can have an expiration date. In Ukraine, after receiving COVID-19 vaccination, an individual may generate a vaccination certificate in the DIA app. The expiration date of the certificate in the app only reflects how long it will be displayed in the app. It does not indicate how long protection provided by the vaccine will last. For national policy updates, please consult the online sources. Please see the links in the video description for Ukraine Ministry of Health and the DIA Porta mobile application.